What's SOULEX?
It's the name of my business.
There's the problem. Do you rent or have a lease or something? Because I'm feeling somebody's not very reasonable. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Is it a man?
Yes.
This person is going to be very greedy. There's always going to want more. He's the kind that will appear not to back down until the last minute. If you give him an alternative and so on and so forth, he's going to want more money. He's going to be hard-nosed until he thinks he may lose you. Then he'll go, oh, well, maybe we should talk. I believe what you send out comes back to you. Everything's a cycle, and he'll get his. But you have some karmic things that you're working out, and your lesson is that it's out of your control. So the minute you let go and let God, just go with the flow, I feel things are going to work out better than you think for you. And that doesn't mean stay there or move. I don't know. Don't be afraid of changes. That's the whole thing right here. What am I supposed to learn? Why? It's been a struggle. If you're to stay where you are, it'll settle him. I also feel he is enjoying putting the screws on you. For some reason, he's sadistic. This is where you need to manifest to draw a boundary. You're coming out of this, and that will help bring the perfect location for you. You need to start with an affirmation. My perfect location is manifesting now. My perfect location is manifesting now. And keep that up. Because, first of all, you've been in this ending energy. So keep putting that out. Because if where you're supposed to be is the right thing, if it isn't, it'll get you out of there. But it will bring the right price for you.